another technician for today. So I don't want to Long Beach. The one you went on Friday. That's what I don't know who you contact. He said when I get your reference number, there says your number is not anymore. The service is already canceled. That's why you understand they giving another technician. Sir, that's because you remember the first time we talked, and then you didn't come on the date that you have to come. They gave me another technician. What name do you want? The customer's name?